Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we're discussing with you Luxe Foundation review. So you might be wondering, what is the Luxe Foundation or the color changing foundation that you may be hearing online? So Luxe here is a color adapting liquid foundation from Luxe Research, marketed towards women over 40. Now the premise is that the formula self-adjusts to a person's individual skin tone and undertone after application, rather than requiring an exact stage match at purchase, aiming for a natural finish with all day wear, and the site cites up to like 16 hours without touch-ups, and the brand states the formula was developed over 3 years across 127 tested formulations. Now, how do you exactly use this according to them? Now, you shake the bottle before applying. Apply a small dot of foundation to the cheeks, forehead, nose, and chin without blending immediately. Now, the site directs letting it sit on the skin for a moment first, then buff it outward using a brush, sponge, or fingers, and wait for about 30 to 60 seconds for the shade to visibly adjust to the skin. A thin extra layer can be added afterward if more coverage is wanted. Now, on the pricing side here, the standalone foundation list is listed at around $39.95 as of this moment, with a buy one get one free offer on the side. It's also sold in various bundles with other Lux products. Now, for example, Perfect Match Trio at $44.95, down from the usual $69.95. Now, Flawless Base Essential set at $39.95, down from the $69.95 usual. And the larger sets here running at around $109.95 at full price. Now, the company is listed as Lux Research LLC based on Sheridan, Wyoming, with standard payment options including major cards, PayPal, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. And the site's policies page cover shipping, returns, and subscription cancellations for anyone who orders through a recurring plan. Now, in this case, if you do have any questions about them, you could also contact them via the contact us page here, or if you want to view any of the payment policies, or return or refund policies here if you want. But that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.